Good day, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, here in Chicago, giving you stock index future comments. And I always give you the word of the day. And I wanted to explain the word of the day is really more of for the week, for the tone, so that you kind of know what should be the highlight. And my word of the day or the week would be choppiness, technical choppiness in the market. The economics, the fundamentals here in the United States have been fairly good, not robust, but fairly all right. But the markets have been choppy. For the last 3 or 4 days of this week alone, we were making lower lows and lower highs, and then we rally back. So we're really in a consolidation area. And for the quarter, remember we're March 28th, so we're getting real close to the last day of the month, which would be Monday the 31st. Okay, and that would end the quarter. And for the quarter, if we're down another 5-7 points in the S&P, which is the broad index futures for the whole stock market versus the Dow or the NASDAQ, okay, so we'll look at the broader index. We're unchanged for the whole quarter. We're unchanged for the whole year. So we've gone 3 full months of just choppy. First, it looks like we're going to break out and make a new high. We make a new high, and then we fall back, and then we get some negative news, and we get a problem with Russia or Europe, or a slowdown in China was in the news today. And then because it's a slowdown, they're going to take some time and stimulate their economy, and then the market will rally. GDP was kind of good this week. So you got a lot of things in the blender, and it's coming out kind of even steady, or not growth and not breaking. We're unchanged for the year. We're not really moving yet. So we don't have a lot of direction. But if you look at last year, we were in a huge bull market. So the trend is sideways to up, in my opinion, okay? We need a close to keep that momentum going. Looking at the charts, we need a momentum trade close, in my opinion, over 70. 1870, June contract, future contract, S&P. Keep that down. Put a circle around it. These are just my opinions looking at the chart. Might not work, but I think it will. Take a look. We need 2 days in a row close over that, and then we would definitely be sideways to up and momentum. On the way down, probably the thought of the day would be 1835 on a closing basis, so you won't know till the end of the day, the end of the week, and possibly Monday as well. And why? Because that's the end of the quarter. And remember, there's always window dressing in the cash market, which would affect futures as well. Window dressing to jazz it up probably to the upside, in my opinion. That was all I have for today. Good luck, good trading. Call me whenever you need. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.